Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shibchain token. Now the Shibchain token is about to start their pre-sale in about half a day on pinksale.finance. So it's going to be a public pre-sale. It says 20 hours until pre-sale starts, but this video is most likely going to be up in a few hours. So it'll be about half a day until this pre-sale starts. So you'll be able to go check it out if you're a subscriber and you see this video. If you don't see this video, you're not a subscriber. First of all, hit subscribe. Second of all, we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over. And we're going to do that in just one sec. But before that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps, so you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this video here. Shibchain. So Shibchain is about to start their pre-sale. Like I said, it's a public pre-sale. Their ticker symbol is SC. Name of the token is Shibchain Space Token, 18 decimal places. There is a total of 1 billion tokens. Total supply 1 billion tokens and 500 million tokens hard cap, which is 625 BNB is their hard cap. So if they sell that, then the pre-sale's over. So you want to, get in and check this out early before it sells out if you're interested in this token. Soft cap is going to be 325 BNB, which is 260 million Shibchain tokens. So this will go to PancakeSwap shortly after the pre-sale is over. So you will be able to get it afterwards, after the pre-sale. And liquidity is going to be locked on PancakeSwap for 180 days. Now, they have a Reddit listed on here, a Discord, Telegram, Twitter, official webpage, and an embedded YouTube video called Introduction Video of Shibchain. And you can kind of see a little trailer if you want to on PinkSale. They do have a full audit on here. So they were audited by xpele.co. I've never even heard of that company before, but I guess they do crypto audits, and they did this one, so you could check out that audit. So it says Shibchain is the wrapped token of SC, I should say, is the wrapped token of Shibchain, a decentralized blockchain that superpowers Shiba Inu token holders to bring crypto applications like NFTs and DeFi to the Shib community. It's got proof of staking, smart contract compatible, NFT marketplace, mobile wallet, metaverse, gaming, launchpad, explorer, farming and staking. Sell tax is 5%. Shibchain equals Dogechain killer. So they had recently Dogechain come out, and that's been listed, on like MEXC Global now, a whole bunch of different exchanges, and they've also had all these projects launch on the Dogechain already. There you can see a lot of them listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko almost daily. They have a bunch of different projects on there. So now they're trying to do the Shibchain to compete with Dogechain. And it says, bridge Shib to SC, join the Shibchain army. Hashtag Shibchain army. So they're assuming that this token and this pre-sale is going to be large. I mean, that's why the hard cap is 625 BNB. That's a pretty decent sized pre-sale right there. So 50% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 28.5% of the tokens liquidity, and they got 21.5% of the tokens unlocked. Now there is a quick audit by Spywolf that you could view in the discussion section here. And it's got some check marks here. It says owner can change buy and sell fees only up to 10%. So that's not bad. Then it says owner can change max transaction limit, but can't lower it then 0.1% of total supply, so that's not bad either. Owner can't disable trading, and owner can't mint new tokens. So that's, yeah, all good check marks on there. No warnings or anything in the quick audit. So that's good. They got the quick audit. They got the full audit. If you want to find more information, you're going to go to their webpage, shibchain.net. It says, we got Shib, and now we have Shibchain. Shibchain NFTs, games, and DeFi for Shiba Inu users. So there's a little video you can watch on their page. It says, built by Shib holders for Shib holders. And Shibchain supercharges Shib holders to bring crypto applications like NFTs, games, and DeFi to the Shib community. Unfortunately, the Shib token is just a token and cannot support any of these applications or any other dApps, but Shibchain fixes that. With Shibchain, Shib holders can do more than simply hodl and wait for Shib to moon. They got news articles on here like things to do on Shib, such NFTs and DeFi. Wow, a Shib ecosystem. Oh my god, Shib used as gas. Many fast, such cheap fees. Wow, loving Shib community. Those are 4 different articles that you could read. So the space between Shibchain. Shib token holders deserve the same powers as the crypto holders. Shibchain gives those superpowers like DeFi, NFTs, games, and more. Shibchain community stands for fairness and equality for all ecosystem builders. Time to unleash the creativity and full potential of the Shib community. Join the movement. So it says, the Shibchain community emphasizes inclusivity and appreciation for every Shib participant. Shibchain stands for fairness and equal opportunities for everyone. Our goal is to create a blockchain that is truly owned by the Shib token holders. The Shibchain team does not believe in any special VC allocations. As we're solely focused on the community, we believe in transparency and taking a community-first approach. Shibchain, how do I get it? So it says Dogecoin holders get free Shibchain. The Shibchain airdrop will occur later this year. More information on the snapshot coming soon. No Shib tokens, no worries. Buy Shibchain SC directly on Pink Sale or any other listed exchange. Buy even more Shibchain, stake them, show big love for Shibchain, and stake them to get more. And it says join our Discord for more updates. And Shibchain is the new blockchain entirely built and designed for the community. It's community driven, no VCs, no big promises that we can't keep, such as 1 trillion transactions per second powered by a world-changing consensus algorithm. We're an honest project that simply seeks to bring blockchain applications to Shib token holders community. So they talk about the airdrop, the incoming airdrop. There's an article about that. And they have different phases of their roadmap. So first phase is going to be the stealth launch, website, white paper, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Then phase 2, development of the Shibchain, building bridges around other chains, huge marketing. Phase 3, major exchange listings, build new utilities around Shibchain and community giveaways, and more to be announced. And that's basically it. You can check out their webpage, a lot of info on here. You can contact them. They got socials, and pre-sales about to start in about half a day from when I upload this video. Shibchain.net is their official webpage if you want to check it out. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Shibchain? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.